Oh, there was someone in one of my Zoom classes that told me they found this song and have been singing it. Who would like to introduce this song? Do you have jazz hands? Someone want to check? Someone to introduce this great song? And there just might be a special guest. Anyone? Anyone? Do you remember this one? Ava, you want to introduce this one, please?
Grandma's feather bed.
You're right. And I don't know, are some of you still in bed as you're singing? Maybe if you are, you can pretend you're on Grandma's feather bed.
But I don't have a feather bed. I don't have a feather bed. I have a bunk bed.
Playing with me. Wishing that the whole lower school band could be here. So I want you to pretend that they're here too. Here we go. When I was a little bitty girl just up off the floor, we used to go to Grandma's house every month and or so. We country hands on our whole leg farther on the bed. But the best I think about Grandma's house was a great big feather bed. It was 9 feet high, 6 feet wide, soft as down chick. It was made from the feathers of 40 geese to go home over the clock for the tip. It would hold 8 kids, 4 house frogs, and a piggy we stole from the shed. We didn't get much sleep, but we had a lot of fun in Grandma's feather bed. Oh, I got to get into the mic. Keep singing. It's a little squishy here. After supper, we'd sit by the fire. The old folks spit and chew. Pa would talk about the farm and the war, and Granny sing a ballad or two. I'd sit and listen and watch the fire till cobwebs filled my head. Next thing you know, I'd wake up in the morning in the middle of the old feather bed. It was 9 feet high, 6 feet wide, soft as a downy chick. It was made from the feathers of 40 geese to go home on the clock for the tip. It would hold 8 kids, 4 hound dogs, and a piggy we stole from the shed. We didn't get much sleep, but we had a lot of fun in Grandma's feather bed. Well, I love my ma, I love my pa, I love Granny and my grandpa too. Fishing with my uncle, I wrestle with my cousin, and I even kissed Aunt Lou. Ew. But if I ever had to make a choice, I guess it ought to be said I'd trade them all, plus the guy down the road. Well, maybe not the guy down the road. For Grandma's feather bed. It was 9 feet high, 6 feet wide, soft as a downy chick. It was made from the feathers of 40 geese to go home on the clock for the tip. It would hold 8 kids, 4 hound dogs, and a piggy we stole from the shed. We didn't get much sleep, but we had a lot of fun in Grandma's feather bed. We didn't get much sleep, but we had a lot of fun in Grandma's feather bed. I think something crazy was going on behind us, Jennifer.
There was a grandma.
And a pig.
And she was dancing.
A dancing
I didn't
pig.
know to dance.
Grandma was dancing.
Dancing grandma.
There's just
Oink, oink.
always all kinds of excitement.